Okay, great. Let's go ahead and lock it up all around and roll sound, please.
Hi, my name is Rachel Anise, and I am from Seal Beach, California. I do beauty content specifically focusing on luxury beauty and luxury skincare.
Hey, Mark.
So we're in a lecture hall, and I'm going to be lecturing, and then the lights come on, and we find out that this is what's been happening, unbeknownst to me.
Our last film is Rachel, and it's a beauty spot, and it is so funny because she's actually a full-time professor, and what I love the most about her is even though it's a beauty mishap, she just goes about her job.
This absolutely happened, yes. It's over the top, but it's absolutely what can happen when a liquid liner is not budge-proof. I was helping some students as they were leaving class, and a student was standing right over me, and he's like, I have to tell you something. And I'm like, what? Like, what could this be? They're all leaving class, and he's like, you have something on your eye right here. Bless him, but he didn't know how to articulate, like, this is mascara or eyeliner. You know, he didn't have the words, but he was just trying to tell me, like, there is black on your eye.
I think she's probably having some mild flashbacks about this moment where this mascara betrayed her.
Yeah, I had no idea it would be immortalized in any kind of, television spot.
Going well, just back on campus, back at school. But no, it's been really fun.
Hannah is absolutely delightful. She's really easygoing. She is encouraging. She gives you good feedback, which I appreciate.
Yeah, that's great. And then
I feel like we've just had a good dynamic this whole time. My audience has been with me for 10 years, so that responsibility to be trustworthy, to be authentic, to show them things in real light on my face, which is what I've always done. LTK has been a great companion to that, and it's helped me to become a really viable business for myself and for my family, and something I can, rely on, and I'm grateful for that.
That's a wrap on Rachel. Okay, Rachel.
Okay, LTK, that is a wrap.